In this series of videos, I'm going to take a look at some algebra problems that involve age. So in the first video, I'm going to look at this problem. So if you double Luke's age and then subtract 6, you have Peter's age. 2 years ago, the sum of their ages was 29. How old is Luke? So let's start by assigning variables. So we'll let L represent Luke's age, and we're going to let P represent Peter's age. So it says if you double Luke's age and then subtract 6, you get Peter's age. So let's write an equation that models that. So 2L, so 2 times Luke's age minus 6 is equal to P, Peter's age. Okay? So then the second statement, it says 2 years ago, the sum of their ages was 29. Okay? So L and P, they represent their current ages. Okay? So then what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take Luke's age, subtract 2 from it because it was 2 years ago, and then add Peter's age, so we have to also subtract 2 from Peter's age. Okay? And that's going to equal 29. So now let's simplify the second equation. So we'll have L plus P minus 4. Okay, so negative 2 take away 2 gives us minus 4 is equal to 29. Now I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So I'm going to have L plus P is equal to 33. Okay, so now I have two equations with two unknowns. And since P is already isolated in the first equation, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to substitute the first equation into the second. Okay, so what I'm going to get is L plus 2L minus 6. So I'm replacing the P in the second equation with 2L minus 6. And that's going to equal 33. So now I'm going to collect like terms. So L plus 2L, I'm going to get 3L minus 6 equals 33. And now I'm going to add 6 to both sides to get 3L on its own to give me 3L equals 39. And lastly, I'm going to divide 3L by 3 and 39 by 3 to get L by itself. So L is equal to 13. Okay, so Luke's age is going to be 13. The question isn't asking us for Peter's age, but I'm going to find it anyway. So to find Peter's age, we can just use the first equation. So I'm going to substitute 13 into L in the first equation. So I'm going to have 2 times 13 minus 6. And that's going to give me Peter's age. So 26 minus 6, so 20. Okay, so I'm just going to write a concluding statement. So therefore, Luke is 13 years old. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I'm going to take a look at another age problem that's a little bit more challenging. Thanks for watching.